All right, so today I'm showing you an amazing TikTok hairstyle tip that a lot of you want to know. You can start off with tidal wave. You can spray it on dry, damp hair, spritz on maybe 1, 2, 3 spritzes, and this is going to be the best tip you've ever seen here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your hair, you're going to run your fingers back through your hair like this. Okay, you see I'm running my fingers through it, getting that volume here with a tidal wave, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take the palm, you're going to work it in a circular motion, and then pull the hair down, and then all of a sudden, look, we've got all that volume, we've got all that texture, which is what you're looking for. You can spray a little bit of the locked hairspray onto it. You can shape it however you want, but this little tip works amazing. Let me know in the comments below. Use code YouTube20 for 20% off. Share this video. I'll see you soon.